Yeah, I really would like to share my experiences with Siddhi. Like, see, I have learned many modalities with Siddhi along with these goddess energies. So I have jotted down few things I really would like to share with you all. First of all, I give money Reiki healings to many of my clients with goddess Mahalakshmi chants, and they have been benefited amazingly. Recently, one of my Dubai clients, he had taken a package of 21 days of this money Reiki healing along with Mahalakshmi Ma, goddess Mahalakshmi. And since his 18 days, he could not see any change, and he was wondering that by like Sejal is giving me such a wonderful healing and nothing is happening. And out of the blue, on the 19th day, can you imagine? He got an order worth rupees 80,000 dirham. And
Wow.
I have shared that feedback with Siddhi. He was so happy. And continuously every month, I do this Mani Reiki healing along with Goddess Mahalakshmi chants and Ashtalakshmi Reiki energies for my husband too. He has his team of 20 to 25 people in the office. And recently, can you imagine? They got a big project from multinational company with which their annual income was got for the next 1 year. They are rest assured. And all
Fantastic.
the sister concerns of that multinational company has also started approaching my husband. He was so happy, like he said, your Mahalakshmi energies are really working. And
Absolutely.
yeah, thank you so much. And the other experience I would like to share of Goddess Mahakali and Goddess Baklamukhi. With these energies, I was healing, along with Siddhi's help, I was healing one couple, like a boyfriend and a girlfriend. They had so many issues. So after this healing of, I think, 5 to 6 days only, their relationship started progressing. And the girl was very happy. She said, no, we will continue for more 21 days to complete. And like I said, like,
That's sweet.
wow. But I will give all the credit to Siddhi. Like, she is teaching amazingly. And Siddhi always shares everything with every of her student. So like, she
Right.
in her calls during these goddess workshops, she always shares of Chamunda Ma chants. So with this chants I had given to one of my clients. And the gold is of so much of value to a woman or a
Right.
lady. Like, her ornaments were mortgaged since 4 years. And once she completed this 12,500 chains of Chamundama, out of the blue on her birthday, her husband gave a gift. Oh, some ornaments he returned. She said, like,
Oh, wow.
wow. But see, this is her personal feeling. So yeah, I did not find appropriate to ask her for feedback. It doesn't look good. Like, her feelings were attached to it. uh, and I would also give share one more thing. Like, these chains, with the help of these chains, I also make prosperity oil with these Chamunda Ma chains. They are really so powerful. Like, during this pandemic, all my clients, they get a amazing business benefits. So like, something or the other from the universe, they get some work. Out of the blue, they get some work. Say, like, they all continuously tell me, yeah, Sejal, please give that prosperity oil to me. So like, Siddhi, whatever Siddhi says, I think I would really add on one statement of her. Like, whenever you do these chants of Ma, Chamunda Ma, or Mahalakshmi Ma, this Ashtalakshmi Reiki energies, you surrender totally. Matlab, you should not doubt on the universe, and universe will definitely return it. And really, this is happened in my life. Like, I was totally a housewife. I had never thought that I would like progress, touch wood, and my monthly income. I'm so happy, and all because of Siddhi, her teaching experience, her teaching style. Like, even the students ask her so silly questions. Like, nowhere the connection is there with the modality, and they ask. Myself, I ask her so many times, because I always repeat all her goddess workshops and any other workshops. Sometimes I forget something. I again ask Siddhi, how do we do with this? And she very patiently handles us. Like, I'm really blessed to have Siddhi in my life.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
thank you, Siddhi. And one more thing I would tell, like angels ke saath bhi I connect goddess energies. So whenever I send the pictures of these healings with goddess to my clients, or just during seeing that pictures also, they could feel my energy, and which Siddhi has passed me. She has blessed. For me, Siddhi is really ma. I'm not telling much more about this. People will think कि कुछ बड़ा चढ़ा के बोल रही है, लेकिन
No, no,
नीलू, आई एम रियली
not at
थैंकफुल.
all.
लाइक सीधी, मतलब सीधी जो एनर्जीज पास करती ना, गॉडेस एनर्जी, एंड इफ यू ट्रूली बिलीव ऑन व्हाट सिद्धि सेज, एंड इवन इफ यू फॉलो हर, definitely 100% we will benefit. and
Fantastic.
and that's it. Thank you so much,
Oh,
everyone. Thank you, Siddhi, for
thanks,
giving me
Angel.
the chance.
Thank you for coming on and sharing your brightness with us. Thank you so much.